Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Schuberth SC2 motorcycle helmet Bluetooth intercom and you need to do a hard reset to the remote control portion of it. Maybe you might want to do this because the remote control is no longer connecting to the main unit, or it's not responding or anything like that. We can very easily do a do a hard reset on this unit. Just keeping in mind, once you do this is going to be like it was when it came out of the box. You're going to need to repair it, and all of any kind of settings that you've got on it and everything like that will be wiped off of it. But if that's what we want to do, we can go ahead and do it real easily. We need to have sufficient battery in it, and we're going to find the plus, the volume up button, the volume down button, plus this button up here, and we are going to come in and press all three of these buttons simultaneously. We're not going to touch this down here. We're going to touch these. Press and hold these three buttons for 1 second. And after 1 second, that will initiate a reset of this remote controller back to its factory settings.